San Isidro College Alma Mater Hymn.
This hymn is more than just a melody. It is a declaration of love, loyalty, and pride for our school, San Isidro College.
Every word speaks of who we are, always loyal, always faithful, and of the deep bond we share with this institution that has shaped our minds and hearts beneath the Bukidnon sky. As we sing these words together, let us be reminded of the values our school has instilled in us, the friendships we have forged within its halls,
And the dreams it has helped us build.
once again, the SIC Alma Mater Song.